everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Candy Ma, of course. If this is your first time to the channel, I welcome you. Let's get comfortable. We're about to get into it. And to my real ones, my subscribers, hey, hello, especially to my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. I appreciate the views, the likes, and the comments. Alright, so we're going to get into this video. As you saw in the thumbnail, this is going to be a different haul for me. Now, just to give you guys a little brief history, my first, outside of the teenage jobs, my first real job was in corporate America. So I was working in a time where you wore stockings to work under your skirts. Okay, there were no bare legs out. We wore stockings. We wore girdles instead of shapewear, which that is still some type of shaper, right? We wore slips and things like that. Then years and years later, it got to a more casual dress requirement. So, you know, a lot of women can probably attest that when it got to that point, honey, we were throwing them stockings in the garbage, honey, forgetting them slips. Even though I know some women still dress like that, I don't for the most part, but I still, you know, I have some, I think that's why I don't have a lot of dress down clothes, because my dress down would be what people would consider like business casual, unless I'm going out, and y'all know I like those sexy outfits, right? But outside of that, I don't really have dress down clothes. As I mentioned before in this channel, I don't wear sneakers. Like, I buy them here and there and they might last for a month or two, and then I end up donating them. I'm not a sneakerhead. I don't know. I'm just not. So I wanted to come on the channel and show you a couple of blazers that I chose from Shein. Now, these are not like the blazers that I used to wear. I used to wear pretty pricey blazers, and I would have I wouldn't do pantsuits, but I would do skirt suits. So listen, times have changed, but I will tell you, I watch a channel, her name is China. That's the name, you know, that's her name on YouTube, China. And I think it's I Am China, Chyna. And I love watching her because she is showing how she's growing as a mom, as a businesswoman. And I love to see the younger girls out here doing it. Okay, I love it. So one day she comes on and she has her, I don't know what she had under it, but the blazer just caught my eye, and it reminded me of how I used to dress all the time. I was always dressed up. And I was like, you know what, let me do a video like that. I'm going to make it more relevant to my lifestyle now, because I don't have to dress like that for work. But you still need to have some of these pieces in your attire, and I'm going to show you ways that I would wear it still being comfortable. That's one thing. I just like to be comfortable. I wasn't always comfortable in the stockings. I'm going to just be honest, okay? The rips in them, trying to get them over these thighs. Even though this is probably the heaviest I've ever been, but I was always a thickums, okay? Let's not get it twisted. So I'm glad that those times are over. They're not required for me, but every now and then I still like to do what I do, and I don't always show that on camera. So I was like, I'm gonna order a few blazers that you guys can buy and still within my style range, okay? So this is the first one, and again, this is not the quality that I'm used to, but y'all know I love Shein, and I'm all for their clothes. And literally, I have things that I've had for a year or two that I wash. Some of them I dry, and I still have my stuff. So let's get into this first blazer. This I love the color scheme. I wasn't going to actually do this jacket because I'm very matchy, as most of you may know. I do have a black tank underneath. I would prefer a white, blue, or red, even though this does have black in it. That's just how I am. That's just how I am. I want to match. I mean, the black matches. I get it. My daughter's like, it looks fine, but I'm like, no, I would prefer a red, a blue, more pop of color to really bring the jacket in, but it still works. Very nice sleeve length for me. So I like the sleeve. I just love the way it falls. I mean, this is not even buttoned up yet, and this is just sharp. This is just a sharp jacket. This is how I would wear it. More modern blazers. The other blazers I had, they were more like straight lined and very corporate. All right, so this is the jacket from the side. I love the length of the jacket. If you're worried about covering your tail end, honey, this will cover your tail end. And what I like about it as well is that it's like a medium weight. So it's something that you can just throw on as we approach the spring. That's important to me. I say that a lot, to have pieces that are transitional. I don't buy things like literally, I mean, outside of a winter coat, right? I need a winter coat, but I really try to buy stuff that I can wear in different seasons. So this is really nice. So you button it up here. If you want a more, you know, pulled in look here around the waist, very, very nice. I'm gonna have everything linked below, including the size that I got. Most times I get everything in a 3XL, which is a size 18, 20, no, size 18 US for Shein, okay? The 4X is their size 20 US. So very nice, very, very nice. Now I wasn't gonna do the pants in this video, but since I have the pants, I'll link these below as well. So this is how I used to dress all the time. I can't even tell you how many pairs of black slacks I had, girl. Please. But these are very nice. I don't know if you guys can see. It has 3 buttons here. Very comfortable. A wide leg, which I really love. And just a nice dress pant. And I know a lot of us have gone back into the office and you may have to dress business casual. These are very comfortable. These are also high-waisted on me. If you're new to the channel, I'm only 5'5". So very nice. I just like the fit of these. I see some women, they wear shapewear under their pants. I'm like really against that unless it's like a really light color and you have to tame the thighs a little bit. I just don't particularly like that. I don't like to see crease and lines in my stuff. So these pants will give you the opportunity to not have to do all of that. This is the back. It has a nice elastic waist. I mean, this has extra room in this. I could have sized down in these, but I like how these fit me. They're a little loose, like I have a little extra room here, but because of my hips, you know, the hips are filling right in. I mean, that's what they do. The hips are hipping, honey. My hips, I've had these hips a very, very long time, all my life. So, very nice, very nice. Okay, ladies, here's blazer number 2. This is a beautiful, beautiful goldish yellow blazer. It's like a corduroy type of feel to it. Very, very, very much me, okay? I like this because I would actually wear this not like just as a blazer, but as a jacket. You know, if I'm just running out and I need something very lightweight, I can throw this on. I love the color. I love this color on my skin. I love it. I love it. I love it. It has nice deep pockets. That other jacket did not have pockets. I love pockets, but I was fine with that. This has pockets here, and it's just it's a whole vibe, honey. It's a whole, just pop it on top of whatever. It has 2 buttons here, functional buttons, so you can button this jacket up. And the thing that I'm impressed with the most, because if I want a crop jacket, I'll go and order a crop jacket. When I'm ordering something like this, I want it to have a good length to it. I want it to not be too long and not too short. This is the second blazer that I have, and the length is perfect. I mean, absolutely perfect. It's falling right at my hip area. So again, if you're concerned about covering the back, you do have that. ability to do so. This is just nice. Now, this is nice with the black, but I'm seeing me wearing this with the denim. You know what I'm saying? Really, really working this one. Working all of them. And the thing that I like about the previous blazer, it has so many colors. So you can put those red pants on. You can put that white on. Honey. That's just a game changer with that jacket, that last jacket with some white pants. Girl, please. Tell them don't play with you, okay? Don't play with you. This is very, very nice. I'm highly recommending these blazers, ladies. If you want to just take a basic outfit and just turn it up a little bit. Like, sometimes you don't need to do all of that. Now, you're going to somebody's wedding. You're going to church. You know, you're going to an interview. Obviously, I still feel, I mean, that's kind of bright, the last jacket, but there's ways, like I said, people are just dressing so casual at most jobs nowadays that you can really take, I think, any one of these jackets that I'm showing and dress it up, okay? Very, very, very nice. And I will be ordering more from Shein. I'm just going to tell you that you'll probably see another haul with some more jackets. There were a few I have my eye on, but highly recommend this. And the way that it tapers off here and the way that it cinches in at the waist without you having to do so much. And y'all know I'm a fan of a belt, okay? So if you go and even put a belt on this, any belt you have, honey, a leopard print belt, any type of belt, that will work also. This is just lovely. This is a lovely, lovely jacket. Now, of course, I'm pulling these right out of the bag and showing them to you. You could steam them down. Like the other one was a little wrinkled, you can steam that down. I normally buy clothes, I do not have the iron. So I will be hanging these up immediately and hoping the wrinkles fall out. I have a clothes steamer, I have an iron, and I hate using either one. Okay? I know I've said that before, I'm going to keep saying it. Okay? I don't like it. Most of my clothes, I can literally just slip on and be done. But very, very cute. Very nice. We're going to get into the next blazer. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and comment below which blazer was your favorite. Okay, ladies. Here is the best, honey, that I saved for last, honey. Okay. If you are new to the channel, the girl is about animal print and army fatigue. Okay, like, those are my favorite prints. Hands down. This jacket, when I saw it online, now keep in mind, I think all of the jackets that I selected had really high reviews on Shein, but there was something about this jacket, and if you are an animal print wearing girl, okay, you know that they all don't look good. It depends on how the print is on the material. Baby, go get this one. Go get this one. Trust me. Go look, I even changed my earrings. Look, these are my mama Shein earrings, girl. Honey, I had to change the earrings and I changed the pants for this one. So let's get into the pants. Hold on. So if you are a thickums like me and you want to get a straight leg pant, not all of them work for us. Now, I don't have the thickest calves in the world, but I have thick legs from top to bottom. And sometimes the straight leg pants hurt. They're too tight at the bottom for me. That's in jeans. That can even be in leggings. If I don't have enough give at the bottom, it's not gonna work. So I got these, number one, because if y'all don't know, also, if you're new to the channel, I favor gold over other tones. So the gold buttons are really cute. I would say be careful with these because they don't feel like they're stitched on the tightest. Very cute. Depending on your shape will determine how these buttons go. As you can see, they are kind of curving on me because, you know, the hips are pulling them where they need to go on my body. Very, very cute. Another pair with an elastic waist. Everything will be below, and let me just pan down a little bit. So as you can see, the other ones were baggy towards the bottom. These actually are not a wide leg pant. But these are probably the most comfortable that I've had, considering my thighs are so thick. I cannot wear some of the pants. I don't even order them. I don't even know how some thick girls are wearing them, because I cannot find the ones that really fit me where it's comfortable. I could wear these all day. Now the jacket, back to the jacket, girl. Girl, get this jacket. Go on and get the jacket. Go get the jacket. Now, people do this, and I haven't done this because y'all know I'm matchy, but I'm like, I would even throw a gold shirt on under this, or red for a pop of color, and throw on some red shoes. Honey, it's a wrap, okay? It's a wrap. I mean, look at, this is so well made, and again, it's not really heavy. It's not like those thick, fully lined blazers I used to wear. It's very comfortable. The material is soft. There are no pockets on this one, but you know, the way it's, you know, the way it's fitting the girl, I'm fine with that. Okay, no pockets on this one. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Shein did their thing. I will be buying many more blazers. Okay? If y'all don't know, I'm in my late 40s. I don't look like it. I don't always act like it. Like, I'm serious when I need to be. But I like to just enjoy life, and I like a good laugh. But I don't play either. Sometimes it throws people off. So, you know, sometimes you gotta put your grown woman on. You gotta put your grown woman on. Not for that, just for you. But it makes a difference. Like, the way people receive you. It's really crazy. But anyway, that was a little story. But I love this blazer. Very cute. Again, it's a way to look a little sophisticated but still stylish. Like, I always still want to look stylish to me. Like, I dress for me. Had I not even started a YouTube channel, I would still be ordering these clothes. I would still be wearing this stuff. Everybody knows that knows me knows how I am. This is just who I am. So I wanted to show you guys a different side, because y'all know I like to show y'all the sexy dresses. I think I show you guys a good variety of clothing altogether. But, you know, a little something different for you, okay? So here's the side of this. Again, the length, ladies. They can't miss with the length with these jackets. They haven't missed with the length yet. The sleeves are lovely. And y'all know I'm always talking about how things fit my arms. Every single blazer fit my arms perfectly. I have no problems. I can move, I can stretch, I can do everything I need to do. So this is my favorite. The pants are hidden, okay? The pants are hidden, and I really, really just love this outfit. And this is something, another thing about the blazers that I selected, these are blazers that you can wear to work. You can wear on date night. Like, I would wear, this is something I would wear on a date night. The yellow one I might wear when I'm hanging out with my girls, or we're going to the mall, just hanging out. That's something that I might throw on. So I picked 3 with some versatility to fit your style, because everyone has a different style. I'm all of these styles right here though. I'm all of these. So don't forget, let me know which one was your favorite blazer in the comments. I would greatly appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go on and subscribe to the channel. If you haven't hit that like button yet, go on and hit the like button, and more videos to come. Girl, I'm looking at more stuff I gotta do try-ons for, but more videos to come soon. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. I appreciate it, and peace.